I'm Bobby Carvel. I'm the general manager at the Athens location for America's Home Place. And today we're out on site of one of our houses that is under construction. This is the Murray plan. The Murray plan is just under 2,000 square foot heated. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath plan. This house is currently coming out of rough ends, which means the HVAC, the plumbing, and the electrical are just wrapping up. We are setting the stage to have our inspections for our next step, which will be insulating the walls and then obviously hanging the sheetrock. Prior to inspections, the house is what we called in a dry-in stage, which means the shingles have been installed. We have an architectural shingle standard on the roof. We also have all the windows and doors installed. So we have a vinyl single hung window, all energy taped and installed and ready for the inspection. If you're looking for a floor plan that is for the best bang for the buck, square foot, dollar amount, the Murray is your plan. If you'd like to learn more, please visit us at americashomeplace.com and like and subscribe.